Bulk edit is where you fix the record itself. Say a stretch of downtime yesterday got logged under the wrong reason. Pick the device on the left, set the time range, and Pulse draws that window as a color-coded reason timeline. Every event below it lists its time range, its reason, and the good, reject, and cycle counts. Click the event that's wrong, and the split reason dialog opens. You're carving one event into two. Choose the reason for the older half, the reason for the newer half, and the exact time where one ends and the other begins. The two reasons have to differ, and the split has to land inside the event. Hit apply, and the record is rewritten. The timeline redraws with two reasons where there was one, and the production count split proportionally between them. This edits the real production history. There's no undo button, so double-check the time before you apply. But that's the point. The downtime Pareto and every report downstream now tell the true story. Split reason is just the beginning. Bulk edit is becoming the home for correcting the record. Reason codes and process states, good counts and reject counts, and reject reasons. When the record is wrong, this is where you fix it.